Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up price alerts on KuCoin. To set up price alert on KuCoin, first of all, launch the KuCoin app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now go to the Markets tab at the bottom of the screen and under Markets. Select one of the trading pairs you want, and then once you are inside this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the small bell icon. It will take you to this price alert page. Go ahead and enter a price in the text box. Once you type down the price, click on Create Alert, and then whenever the price crosses this number, you'll be alerted immediately. Your price alert is now active. That's how you successfully set up a price alert in KuCoin. Now you won't miss important price movements even when you are not actively checking the app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.